Are you ready to line dance? Hello everyone, my name is Linda Sims. I am the Hudat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. This is the channel where I give you step-by-step instruction for a dance. So if you like this content, please subscribe. Also give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. To everyone that always leave me a comment, I appreciate you so very kindly. Thank you guys so much. If you are interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Now, like I said, this is the step-by-step instructions. Do you want to dance to the music to make sure you have the steps? Watch till the end and click on the video. Also, share the video. So, we're going to get busy. But before I do, I would like to personally invite you to the Nola Southern Experience 4-day line dance extravaganza. We are celebrating 10 years, okay? This event always sell out. I want to give y'all guys a head up. It is July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. We're getting y'all guys ready right now. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. All our details can be found on our website only. You book your room only at our website. You register only at our website, www.lmIUNOLA.com. So instructors, if you've never been, I personally feel, ask around. This is the perfect event for your crew. And it's New Orleans, you can't go wrong. So without no further ado, this dance is called Shake Body. It's not new, but there's nothing like a great workout. And this is perfect for your beginners because it has the travel steps in it. So it's a great step that your beginners can master. This is a one-wall dance. There's only 2 parts, okay? So let's go. So I'm going to start on this wall right here. I'm going to change my wall later because I want to show you a transition that you can use for your class to go from one step to the other, okay? We'll get to that. So let's start on this wall here. So it starts on the left foot where your weight is on the right and you move back. So it's almost like a diagonal tap. You tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you're moving back, okay? I'm gonna turn this way. You kind of like, it's not like a tap back with a lunge, it's like diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? All right, here we go. 5, 6, on the left, 5, 6, 7, move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? Then we come forward with that left, but we're going to do a diagonal across the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So I went diagonal right, then I tap right. So we're going to do the next step. That's part 1 on the right. So part 2 will start on the right. So that's when I tap right, diagonal right, and then I tap right to start part 2 on the right. Okay? So let's put part 1 together. Part 1 is basically moving back and then moving forward, okay, on the left leg. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Did you get that? 7 and 8. All right, so you come back on the left and you move forward on the left, okay? So I did a diagonal move forward on the left leg, then I did a diagonal move forward, and I tap with my heel. 1, 2, 3. So I tap back with my toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then forward with the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right 7, tap right. Okay? All right, part 1. Part 2, we're going to do a travel step. So I tapped on my right because my right heel is up. So I step on my right. So for those who've never done a travel step or weave, one leg, which is your right leg, is always going to do the same movement. It's the one that moves you to the right or to the left. The opposite leg is what's going to transition. You step behind, step front. It'll do the weaving, the travel, okay? So you step side, behind, side, front, side, behind, side, and then we're going to lift with the knee on 8, okay? So let me count. Let's count, and then on 8, we're going to lift the knee on 8. 5, 6, 7. Step side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Again, you step side, side, behind, side, front, side, behind, side, and lift. Of course, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to move to my left, but then I'm going to turn when I get ready to move to lift my knee, okay, to the next wall. So this part 2, we're going to do it all 4 walls, okay, the same thing. All right, so I'm lifting here. So I step on 1, back 2, side 3, front 4, side 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I turn. So whenever I turn to go to the left, I move to the left, I will turn. Okay? So I'm basically done. So the same thing I did at this wall, I would do at this wall. So the first time I go to the right, I stay at my wall. Step on 1, back 2, side 3, front 4, side 5, back 6, 7, and 8. And I stay at this wall. Go on 8, I'm going to turn to my next wall. Okay? So I move left. To my left, staying at this wall. Step side. 1, back 2, side 3, front 4, side 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm not going to stay on this wall here. I'm finished at this wall. Whenever I go to the left, I'm going to turn. Step 8, 7, 8. Okay? Now, at this wall here, do it again. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I went to my right and I stay at this wall. When I move to my left and I lift on 8, I turn. Okay? On 8. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to stay here. Side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, you got it. You got it. Let's do it at this wall. Step down first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stay here. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn 8. And go to the right. You're looking at me, but do the same thing. 4, 5, 6, 7. Stay here with the knee. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Now we're back here at this wall. We start over. Okay. Now let me show you the transition. I think I can show you at this wall. Okay. So when you turn on 8, you're gonna go and 1. Go right and 2. So when you turn, step and turn, it starts over, and 1. So drop that knee and go back with that left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the transition. Now, if you don't want to tap, bring the knee up, you can tap down on 8. So, this is what I mean. Let me turn my wall. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to just turn my wall. I'm going to move forward, okay? I'm going to move to the left, okay? So my knee is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So just step down on 8. Okay? So This is our wall here. I'm going to change my wall to this wall. Let me just show you the transition before we start over. That's the point. That's what I'm trying to get to show you the transition when you're starting it over. Okay? So, this is our fourth wall before we go back to the front wall. This is our front wall just for right now. Okay? So, I went to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, that's one way. The other way is going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can go. What the point I'm trying to get to? You can turn on the 8 and tap down, and then go out. Or you can lift with the knee, turn on 8 and 1. Use one or the other, okay? You can do a ball chain with a knee, or you can tap on 8, but you still have to make the turn, okay? So let's put it together. So what I would like to do is turn to this wall. This wall here. You already know the travel step, okay? You know part 1 where we travel back, then we tap forward. We do that twice, and then we start our travel. Okay, I'm going to do 2 rotations, so I'll show you with the knee and then with the tap down, okay? All right, let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Back left. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, that's it. So let me give you some tips, guys. Notice I started counting. You don't always have to count. You don't always have to call the steps. Give them a chance to think on their own. Okay? Because when you start your class and always count, always call out the step, you always have to do it. Even when you go to events, okay? You always got to call the step. When you teach the dance, okay? When you practice, call out the steps, maybe 1 rotation, and then maybe 2 walls, and then do the count. When they get back where they're starting to dance over, close your mouth. That means you're going to give them a chance to think about the step without relying on you. Because as long as you calling the steps out, you're cueing, and you're counting, they're relying on you. And they never get a chance to exercise that muscle where they remember the steps, okay? So do that, guys. And here's the thing. It's going to take them a minute. See, people think when you make a change, then you see a change like that. No, give it a chance to saturate. You don't know if something's working if you don't give it a chance to saturate, especially when you're trying to change. And we'll be so desperate for a change when we implement the change and it's not working like that, then we go back doing the same thing. In other words, say for instance, I'm telling you not the cue. When you don't book cue, they going all off. You like, okay, well, I just got a cue. No, give them a chance. Your students are very, very smart, okay? Now, what's my other tip? Oh, my other tip is make sure you check out the Nola Southern Experience 10th Year Extravaganza. Now, what I want you to do is do your homework. Ask around. Just ask people, like, have you ever been to the Nola Southern Experience? Do your homework, honey. It's one of the top events. We put in a lot of work. We would love to have you as our guest. And our goal is, at Nola Southern Experience, when you go to other events, you'd be like, oh, this is really nice. This is nice. But this ain't the Nola Southern Experience, honey. Southern hospitality here. So check it out. Go to our website. It's July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. It's next year. We're getting ready right now. Registration opens June 1st, 2005. We have everything spelled out for you, okay? Everything from the time you hit the ground here in New Orleans, we got you. Check out our website at www.lmiu, that's let's mess it up, NOLA, New Orleans, Louisiana.com. Okay? You only register at our website and you only book your room at our website. Okay? Check that out. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.